Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to install your classic Genie Bidet, the bidet that brings your bathroom aesthetic to a modern era. First things first, make sure to pause this video and check that the seat you received matches your order and your toilet's measurement. Once you do that, make sure you have all of the parts needed for the installation. So the first step is to remove your current toilet seat. Every seat is different, but the general rule is to lift the back handles and remove the screws and wing nuts at the bottom. Next, place the adapter plate, the metal washers, and the bolts on top of the seat. Now place the butterfly nuts up onto the bottom of the bolts. Don't completely tighten the knots until you place the adapter plate where you want it to be. In my case, it was the furthest from the tank to make space for the lid. You can hold the bolt with a slot screwdriver to prevent it from turning while tightening the butterfly nut. Step 4. Shut off your water supply to the toilet, then flush. Unscrew the water supply from the water tank. For this step, it might help to put some paper towels on the floor in case the tank drips water. This is completely normal. Step 5. Connect the T-connector adapter to the toilet tank. Make sure that the T-connector is moving up evenly so that it's as tight as possible. Step 6. Connect the inlet hose to the bidet and to the T-connector adapter. Then connect your water supply to the bottom of the T-connector. And that's it! You just upgraded your throne to a modern look and experience. If you have any questions regarding your bidet or the installation process, make sure to contact us at cs@geniebidet.com or at 888-999-6241.